When most people think of food banks, they only think of an organization that donates food to those lacking purchasing power. But if you run a food bank, you know so much more happens behind the scenes to ensure that healthy food is distributed. One of the challenges food banks face is managing congregate and medically tailored meal programs efficiently. And this is where enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems like GoldFinch, step in. It promotes efficiency and coordination. This tool offers various functionalities that streamline food banks' operations, like inventory management and client tracking. To understand the role that ERP plays in managing congregate and medically tailored meal programs, we must first explain these two. Congregate meal programs are designed to provide nutritious meals to people, mainly in a community setting. In most cases, these programs aim to address food insecurity issues. These meals can be particularly helpful to senior adults or low-income individuals. On the other hand, medically tailored meal plans cater to individuals with specific dietary needs. Just from the name, you could deduce that these are customized meals tailored to meet an individual's nutritional requirements. It can serve people with conditions like kidney disease, diabetes, HIV/AIDS, heart disease, and much more. Now, picture a food bank that runs both of these programs. For starters, these are two different programs. For example, while congregate meal programs target people who can't afford to buy food, medically tailored meal programs target people with specific health conditions who need customized diets. And in most cases, these people are homebound and cannot access community sites. In addition, when it comes to congregate meal programs, the food is served in a community setting, like a church, community hall, or senior center. However, medically tailored meal programs tend to deliver food to an individual's home. And this is because an individual is typically unwell or disabled and cannot leave their home. Lastly, while food banks aim to serve nutritional food to people, the dietary focus of both programs differs. In congregate meal plans, the focus is on generally healthy eating. On the other hand, medically tailored meal programs have been designed to cater to the dietary needs associated with a particular medical condition. For example, if an individual has diabetes, the food bank will come up with a diabetes meal plan that will better serve this person. The goal of efficiently running such programs is to manage multiple tasks, such as tracking inventory and maintaining optimal stock for various food items. In addition, food banks need to coordinate with multiple suppliers, manage client information, and then distribute the meals. All of these activities require high precision, which you can achieve with GoldFinch ERP. Let's break down how this tool helps manage congregate and medically tailored meal programs. ERP systems help streamline the procurement process by automating processes such as ordering and delivering. This ensures that the food bank won't run out of stock. A streamlined process is crucial for maintaining the quality and variety of meals in both congregate and medically tailored meal programs. The goal of food banks isn't just to supply food, but also to ensure they provide meals with nutritional value to their recipients. An ERP stores detailed nutritional information requirements for various foods, helping the food banks create meals that comply with specific dietary guidelines, crucial for medically tailored meal programs, where meals must meet the specific and particular health needs of people with conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or even food allergies. Efficient inventory management is essential to create meal programs successfully to help food banks achieve their goals. An ERP provides real-time visibility into stock levels, storage conditions, expiration dates, and more. This helps ensure the right ingredients are available when needed and prevents waste associated with spoilage or over-purchasing, ensuring operations run smoothly at all times. And we're just scratching the surface of how ERP can help. See, GoldFinch has been designed to help food banks run various processes, from procuring inventory from vendors to distributing it to those in need. It brings all operations under one platform, ensuring everything runs effectively. To learn more about this tool and how it can help you with your congregate and medically tailored meal programs, call us today.